how to resize an image in WPS Office. And okay guys, here in WPS Office homepage, okay, first, okay, go to insert and insert the picture you want from your file. So for my example, I put my logo and click open. And okay, we have successfully insert the image. And okay, you can resize it by put the arrow on the corner of image and slide 45 degree. And okay, so after that, okay, you can put the arrow below in the center of image and you can scroll up or down. And on the side of this image, you can slide to the right or left to resize the image. So this is the first procedure to resize the image. And also you can resize it into, okay, go to the picture tools on the menu and you can see here the size of the image. So the size of the image is 11.92 vertical and horizontal is 14.05. So for my example, I changed this, the vertical into 15 and the horizontal is also 15. But before you press the enter button, okay, you can remove the check mark on the lock aspect ratio. So you can remove it. So lock aspect ratio when adjusting picture. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully resized an image in WPS Office.